Hi traders, and welcome to the PL Capital Forex report. Today is Sunday, June 25th, and in this video we're going to look at the US dollar index, the euro, the pound, the CAD, and the yen. So let's start. All right, looking at the 4-hour chart of the US dollar index, and so they made one more low. So I thought 5 was in last week, but they just corrected up and one more drop. And so now I can see 5 waves in this 5th wave, so we know that that's done, and then they broke the 4th wave. So this 5-wave move is done and had a strong reaction from this 101.92 level, and I'm expecting now some type of correction to happen, and then one more push up, break that top, and probably get more into this 103.30 up to maybe 103.50 range, somewhere in there. And then it will probably then start to reverse back down for one more leg. And then this will should be resuming on down to break that low. But for this week, expect a correction for that big impulse, and then when that correction is done, then one more up, and then we got to see just exactly what type of correction is being done, if it's just a simple 3-wave or it could be more complex than that. But so it should be correcting downwards this week, and then eventually then reversing back up. Euro. All right, yeah, so Euro completed its 5 waves, and I'm expecting, and then it sold off, but I'm expecting now a correction upwards, and then one more fall down, maybe into like 1082 or down to 1077, somewhere in here, and then resume and take out that high there. So for this week, it should be correcting upwards, get a little choppy, and then one more push down before reversing. Pound. All right, so pound had the interest rate news on Thursday, and they quick shot spike up, almost broke the previous high, and then corrected. So if we zoom in a little bit on this one, so far what I see is just there's like a 3-wave move down, and then they had a 3-wave quick spike up on the news, and then it started selling off. And so I think that this is in the 4th wave here. So oops, wrong one. So we had 1, 2, and I think this is going to be 3, and then they're creating 4, and then they're going to go and break that top one more time. So we've got 3 up and 3 down, and this gets a little messy in here. It looks like they might be creating some kind of like a ending diagonal, I think, for this C wave, and so it almost looks like it's got one more push down before they'll reverse it to go back up. So I'd wait, if you're not already in the buy, I'd wait for I think this low 126.85, I think that'll break one more time. If this is just going to be like a 3-3 and a 5 correction, and then they'll resume back up. All right, CAD. Yeah, so CAD pushed down, and it doesn't look like it's done, because I really don't see the 5-way, unless this little thing right here is the 4. I don't think that's enough. So it might be like they're creating some kind of an ending diagonal, like 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So this might be coming down one more. So like this all is creating like an ending diagonal. So it might be coming down one more, but I'd only be looking for buy setups on CAD, because after this flat here, it should be ending this, and you're going to get a bigger bounce up. So they might be coming down to break this low here, 131.42 one more time, but I'd only be looking for buy setups. There's not much left, and you can just see in the MACD and RSI there's all kind of divergence happening here. So yeah, CAD is going to be I'd be looking just for up on CAD. And the yen. So yen pushed up even more. So I thought that they're making a running flat over here, but instead there's just this running flat. And now, if we zoom back out, what I see is you had this running flat here, 1, 2, and I think this is 3, 4. And then you got 1, 2, and there's like an expanding flat here, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, I mean, we've got 5 of 5 of 5. So this whole move up looks done. And so, you know, I think you had this strong move down, and I think this is 1, 2, and then 5 waves for the C, and now that should start to move south, and eventually they'll take out that low. But I don't see much upside left for the yen. And you know, on the 4-hour you got divergence happening, and like I said, I got 5 ways. So even if they're going to go up one more, like this is just going to be like a big 1, 2, 3 correction and then drop. Even if that's going to happen, even though it doesn't have to, there's enough ways. We've got 1, 2, 3, but they could make, you know, like a 1, 2, 3, you know, like be like a WXY type pattern. There's 5 ways here, so this would have to at least correct, you know, probably come down into this range here, you know, somewhere around 139. So, you know, I wouldn't be buying up here. I'd only be looking for a sell setup, and it might just be short, but you know, you could get at least, you know, decent amount of pips out of even just that correction, even if they are going to come up one more time, but they don't have to. I mean, like I said, there's enough for 3 waves, and so it could be not total downside, but coming all the way down to this 127 level one more time. So yeah, looking for downside on the dollar yen. All right, that's what I see on the Forex pairs. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Good luck to you all, and see you in the next video.